Hi everyone, I'm Debbie Jade and I'm glad that you have joined me this evening. As you can see, I decided to start this little bit of fire behind me. It's nice and warm on my back, but I just wanted to spend time with you this evening to share with you what I have learned. And I'm always learning as a guide for others, a teacher for others. Believe me, I'm still being given guided messages from all of our higher beings, angels, guides, and ancestors. I was thinking about what I wanted to teach this evening, and everything that I will teach will be in a little nutshell for you so that you can apply it to your life. And over the course of the week, what I've been sharing with some of the people that have come to me and ask, what do I do with all of this time on my hands? Well, what I'd like you to do is practice this really simple exercise that I've learned when I was learning very practical means, because I have people that come that want to learn traditionally and practically. So in order for me to get very close with them and have good rapport, I felt like I needed to learn some of these things, and then it's become a very spiritual experience for them as well. So what I will teach today is when we wake up in the morning and you've set your day, hopefully you've set it with meditation and prayer. And if not, take a moment to do that. Some gratitude, 9 things that you're grateful for. And then here is what I'm going to share. So what you'll want to do is think of A, B, C. The A is, this is where I am in my present moment. C is the perfect end result at the end of the day. And in the middle, B, what are the things I could put in between so I can get that result? Our brain thinks in very short little chunks, and so the tighter the word, the better, because our brain has a big file for what's back there. So if I was saying that my example would be where I am right now, pretend that I'm in the morning, I've done my prayer work, and I'm in peace. That's my present. I want my perfect end of the day. My perfect end of the day would be, I was connecting with clients, I was connecting with friends, I was receiving gifts from spirit to guide them. I had a very lovely day throughout. I exercised. I had some surprises come in the middle that made my day even better. And then here I am at the end of my day doing my gratitude and closing my day with prayer again. That would be my most perfect day. So what do I put in the middle? I just want to put 3 words that my brain will clamp onto. So I would say I would put gracious, inspiration, peace. Then I know that those 3 words that are in the middle are going to give me my perfect end result. Now, when you first do it, you might have a couple of times where it feels like you don't really receive what you put your intention to, and at the same time, go back again, because remember, you're starting with where you are presently, the perfect result at the end of the day, like this is what it's absolutely the perfect, and in the middle, that's what you're going to fill it up with. Now, if I put a big description in the middle, my brain is going to look for all these words, like keywords, and I might not get exactly what I was considering. It will go there, it'll swim through, and I'll get some of it. However, to get all of it, I want to make sure those words are very powerfully descriptive, and I know that then I will be able to receive what I desired in the morning. At the end of the day, I'll review my day and I'll take a look at that and say, oh my gosh, I totally received it. I can tell you this, it's neurolinguistics programming. It is a very simple 3 steps to your perfect day. Because right now people are getting a little bit more, maybe a little more antsy. Maybe they're not as calm as they thought that they would be because they're not really sure what's coming. But honestly, have we ever truly known what was coming? We thought we did. Not now. Now we are really in surrender mode. So surrender to this little process, this little tiny thing that will manifest exactly what you want. It is a law of attraction process as well. So if you want to take it in that language, you can. I really wish you a very, very good evening, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please put a thumbs up for me. And if you really liked my video, please do share it with others. You never know who's going to really enjoy it. And I appreciate your time. I send blessings to you. Remember that beautiful swans fly free. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.